Possessive pronouns in Spanish, rules and examples. Hola, thanks for joining us in this video. This time, we will learn about possessive pronouns in Spanish. We will analyze how to use them in sentences to talk about our belongings. Let's start. What are possessive pronouns in Spanish? Possessive pronouns are words we use to indicate that something belongs to us. For example, in the sentence, El perro es mío. The word mío is a possessive pronoun that indicates that the dog belongs to me. Likewise, in the sentence, Su casa es grande y la mía es pequeña, the word mía is a possessive pronoun as well. What are possessive pronouns in Spanish? Possessive pronouns are related in some way to personal pronouns and indicate what belongs to us. For example, if I want to talk about something that you have, I should use the pronoun tuyo. As in the sentence, El teléfono es tuyo. But if I want to refer to something that belongs to us, then I would use the pronoun nuestro, as in El proyecto es nuestro. The possessive pronoun in Spanish equivalent to each personal pronoun is presented in the next table. Yo, mío. Tú, tuyo. Él, ella, usted, suyo. Nosotros, nuestro. Vosotros, ustedes, vuestro, suyo. Ellos, suyo. Using possessive pronouns in Spanish. Possessive pronouns change their ending from masculine to feminine and their grammatical number from singular to plural. For that reason, we must be careful and use the correct pronoun depending on the object we are referring to. Pay attention to these simple sentences. El perro es mío. El perro es tuyo. El perro es suyo. As you can see, in the first sentence we use mío, tuyo, suyo, or nuestro, because we're talking about perro, a singular masculine noun. La computadora es mía. La computadora es suya. La computadora es tuya. La computadora es nuestra. We use the pronoun mía, suya, tuya, nuestra, because computer is a singular feminine noun. Los libros son míos. Los libros son tuyos. Los libros son suyos. On the other hand, we use míos, tuyos, suyos when we refer to a plural masculine noun such as libros. Las frutas son mías. Las frutas son tuyas. Las frutas son suyas. Las frutas son nuestras. Finally, we use mías, tuyas, suyas when talking about a plural feminine noun. Possessive pronouns can also be used as a subject or object in sentences by adding a definite article such as el, la, los, las, generally to refer to something that has been discussed previously. For example, tu perro es grande. El mío es más pequeño que el tuyo. Ana y yo escribimos poemas. Los míos son románticos y los suyos son divertidos. ¿Dónde está tu auto? Nosotros parqueamos el nuestro cerca de aquí. Tus amigos están ahí. Los nuestros están allá y los suyos en el patio. In general, as with all pronouns in Spanish, you should only find the appropriate pronoun to refer to each noun or word. Remember that practice makes perfect. We got to the end of the video. We hope you found it very useful. Remember to subscribe, share, and leave us a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Hasta pronto!